Okay, what's it called? Whale shark is a fish and a whale. It's the biggest fish in the world. Yeah, it's a fish, but it's really because big. Sharks are fish.
Wait.
Wait, what's the country called? Okay.
Exmouth.
Okay.
Here you go.
Good morning from Exmouth. Wait, what's this country called? Exmouth. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's called Exmouth.
Ooh. Helicopter. Okay, go get mom. Wow. Helicopter. Say, there's your home. What is going on?
Why did the emu cross the road?
To get to the other side.
Emu crossing.
No. It's a whole emu family. I love it.
Okay, Grandpa is being especially slow.
Yeah, come on, Gramps. Oh my gosh. That was weird.
Why did they
Jess, will you turn on some emu music?
Why did you
Oh
cross
my gosh,
the road?
those are some ugly birds.
Tell me.
I like them. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. My room?
Pumpkin beds.
We got bunk beds. There's
Yeah.
4.
I guess we need to have another baby.
Yeah. How's it gonna go on the bottom? Manila! Manila! There's a pool! Yay! Can we go home?
Yes.
Yay! Look, there's some song right now. No, Cat has to stay on. Go get him a swim diaper. Or me. Does he take off his body?
What is this? You want to eat a donut? You're the WWF heavyweight champion of the world? What are you saying? You put on a little extra holiday weight? Oh, you want the floaty? Oh, okay. I got you. Do you want to jump in through the tube?
Yeah, that can be a challenge. Hey, Dad, I got it. So we dive in the water. We deep dive under the water and then come back up and then we go like this, and then go like under it and then come back. We go like this. We go under this and then come back.
Head
up
first
in
or
the
feet
middle.
first?
No, Dad. Head first. Dad.
I just don't know how deep it is, so make sure you go shallow dive. Here goes Dorothy. Front flip. That was cool.
Can I show you what I was?
Yeah, go for it, bud.
I was trying to show you this. Whoa!
Almost.
I'm gonna go through here.
Almost. Get it, get it.
Here, get it.
You want to swim? Or you want to go into the stairs? Okay, yeah, this is a good baby spot. Oh, there you go. Is that good?
Yeah.
Guys, look, Callie's in.
Oh, yay! You want to get a floaty? Get in.
Oh.
Oh, good job.
Good job, Callie. Are you going under? Guys, look, he's going under. That's good.
Can you go under all the way?
Yeah.
Watch me.
That's good, buddy.
Like this.
This one's not working. Is something blocking in that end?
Dad. Miss, I know you're gonna
Wait,
do
let me just me now. Say it, tell me now.
No, there's something in here. There's a bug in here. Look. No, there's a cockroach in it. So Dad can't blow. Can you try to see what it is? Yeah. I know you're gonna trick me.
I got Jordan!
Dad, now he knows.
He already knew. He said.
Dad, I already knew too. Dad, get it
Yeah?
over.
Oh, go under with your eyes. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. All the way. Hold your breath and go under. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good breath hold. Yeah, your mouth went under. Okay, when you're ready. You could shoot up a little more so it goes straight up.
Okay.
That was great. That was really good.
No.
Good job, Adela. Okay, Dorothy, will you hold this? I gotta put his mask on. Okay, Callie. All right, Bob, you ready? Okay. Okay, Callie, get the plate, okay? Take the plate. You see the plate? Okay, when you're underwater, take the plate, okay? 1, 2, get the plate. You got it. Show Bob.
Okay, let me see. Let me see.
Watch, she's chilling it.
Let me see, Callie.
Okay, ready? Dorothy, tell him what to do.
Okay, hold your breath.
Hold your breath. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3.
Mama.
Hey, that's the cute.
Go.
Let's go on tricks.
Okay, tell him what to do.
Hold your breath. Oh, yeah.
Okay, last one. 1, 2, 3.
Hold your breath.
You did it!
We just got back. That's why we're wearing sweats. You could take this off for sure. I don't want to. And then we saw a big tiger shark. And babies too.
After all of this time, after all of these seasons, it's your own decision to go to the water for reasons. It's only the ocean and you. After all of these lies, we'll all be erased soon. Out with the tide and they come back with the waves soon. It's only the ocean and you. You don't want, you don't wait, you don't love, no, but you don't hate. just roll over me and you pull me in.
The whale, no, not the whale, the whale shark. It's the biggest fish in the world. How big is it? It's like as big as this window. No, it's as, a humpback is as big as a bus. Yeah, and the whale shark was too.
Do it all, everything on our own. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told, before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. Let's waste time chasing all around our heads. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told, before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. All that I am, and all that I ever was, is saving your perfect eyes. They're all I can see. I don't know where, confused about how as well. Just know that these things will never change for us at all. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world?
Sometimes I lay under the moon, I thank God I'm breathing, and then I pray, don't take me soon, I am here for a reason. To make you feel my love.
What does a whale shark look like? It has like dots on it. Yeah, white dots, and then it has blue on it. It has light blue and dark blue. And on the bottom it's white. Yeah, I think so. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not. And then it has. But it might be white. Sometimes they open their mouths just like this. And they're blue. And they're big. They're this big. Gills are like krill. What do they eat? Krill? Krill and fish. I mean, they just eat tiny fish. No, krill and plankton. When you see a plankton, does it give you itchy things on you? Yeah. I got plankton on the way back. I thought because it kind of hurt, like right here. Yeah, I was gonna dive under the whale shark, but we didn't want to. It just came really close to us, and I held the camera one time. I was over it. I was so close to it. The mouth is so large. I can't even open it that way. It's super big. It's super lined and it's super big. And it opens its mouth. And what does the eyes look like? They're like they're brown eyes. Kind of blackish, brownish. Brownish. Yeah. I think they're brown. Yeah, they're brown. I think they're black though. I think they're black. I think they're mixed. And then their gills are like really big. They sometimes open up to breathe. That's how they do it. Yeah, they flat and then they kind of go like this. They go I see them. They're sideways and then when they kind of go and breathe, but they go like this. Yeah, they go like this. Open and then they close. Open and they go like this. They go backwards. Like they and their tail is so big. They went like this. I wanted to see one leap. But we didn't. Do they leap? What if we could drive all the way to here to Hawaii? And then we're back home. What? You can't do that. You can't do that. It's too far. Yeah, it's too far. And it will take forever to just keep driving. And we have lots of people on the boat. And Callie made a new friend. And guess what Callie did? What? He's sweet. Every time he dips his toes in, every time he never gets in. Only he gets in pools. Yeah. Not in oceans. No. Not in oceans. Nope. He didn't even come with us on Mexico. Yeah.
Guys, Callie wants to talk to the camera. Can you sit in the middle?
Can he say bye with us?
Oh.
Alright.
Wait, tell him. He wants to tell a story about the shark.
Oh, tell him. Right. We saw a shark. Nope. Callie gets to tell. Go. He can't even explain it. Do it. Go. Say it. We didn't see a helicopter. We saw sharks and whales. Yeah. Like that. A baby. We saw big sharks. We saw a baby whale shark and the girl. Bye.